Dodge Challenger Shaker cars get shakedown package stripes. In 2016, Dodge brought a custom 1971 Dodge Challenger to the SEMA show called the Shakedown. It melded modern Challenger parts with the classic model's body, and did so almost seamlessly. It of course featured a shaker hood scoop, and it also had a set of stripes to one side that gradually decreased in size to give the feeling of vibration and movement. The reception was clearly good, because Dodge has created a set of stripes just like those on the show car for modern shaker Challengers and made them available in a package with the Shakedown name. The Shakedown package is new for 2018 and available only on Challengers with the shaker hood scoop. These include the RT Shaker, RT Plus Shaker, and 392 Scat Pack Shaker. Just like on the concept, the stripes are all to one side and wrap around the hood scoop. The only difference is that they're all one color, whereas the 71 custom car had one stripe in red. In addition to the stripes, the package adds white face gauges and an upgraded Alpine audio system. On RT and RT Plus models, this system has 6 speakers with a 275-watt amplifier, while the system on the Scat Pack has 9 speakers with a 506-watt amplifier. The cost of the Shakedown package is $995, and it's available with any color of Challenger Shaker. And on the topic of colors, Dodge has also revived Plum Crazy and B5 Blue for 2018 Chargers and Challengers. Those colors will be available on any Charger or Challenger regardless of trim level.